Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the beta 1 release of iOS 15 and what features and everything, what is expected and what do I want to see in iOS 15. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right in today's video. Talking about the release date of iOS 15 beta 1 is June 7th. What do I want Apple to do and what is expected? Well, first is Control Center. Well, I really want Apple to do some customizations and add some new buttons and toggles on the Control Center, give user a little bit more access to use Control Center and customize it. Well, right now we can do it, but it is not that good. I mean, we can just add and remove some buttons. So yeah, I would love to see a new Control Center and some tweaks in Control Center. Another thing that I really want to see, like for sure I really want to see, is performance improvements. Well, we all know every year Apple do increase performance of devices, but I really want a lot of performance improvements on iPhone 12, 11 series and 10s series, and I want improvements in efficiency and make the battery more efficient of iPhone 7 and older devices. Like iPhone 7 will be supported and it will be the last firmware for iPhone 7, and we don't want another iPhone 4S, so it better be really good for iPhone 7 users. And well, as always, I will be covering all of these devices and making separate reviews as I always do on iOS 15. So if you are new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. Well, talking about always on display, well, a lot of people, apparently I didn't knew a lot of people would talk about this, but yeah, I am covering this in my video because a lot of people over on Twitter @TechHype, you can follow me if you are interested, because I do tend to post a lot of tweets there. So a lot of people were saying that always on display for OLED iPhones will be coming up on the iOS 15, and yeah, I mean, to a point I would say, yeah, on OLED iPhones, yeah, it's alright, yeah, Apple can include it. But you have probably heard of LTPO panel. You are watching a tech channel and I will assume that you have heard of LTPO panels. So what Apple will do is, on the Pro series, especially on the Pro series, it will be an exclusive feature for not only this year's iPhone, it will be just for the Pro series of this year's iPhones. I may be wrong, because iOS leaks and iOS predictions are usually, especially when a WWDC is right around the corner, you should always take it as like a grain of salt, right? Now let's talk about widgets. Well, widgets on iOS 14 are really good. I really love them, but I would love to see Apple improving these widgets and adding customizations and make it like we can put it on any side of home screen, like in the middle or something. It would be really damn amazing. Well, the time I'm recording this video, WWDC is just 10 days away and I can't wait for WWDC. We will see a lot of hardware in there this year, and obviously we will see macOS, watchOS, a lot of things will be coming up. I can't wait. Let me know down in comments below, are you hyped for WWDC or not? I will meet you all in the very next episode. Peace out and take care.